from the fracture, light in her bones, carrying the memory of mountains and thrones. The realm held its breath as her truth came alive, a sovereign reborn from the edge of the dive. Every shadow trembled, every river turned gold. The pattern she rewrote was a story retold. Unity wakes the realm tonight, dragon flame and sovereign light. Side by side they break the end, truth and fire rise again. Oh, the world begins to heal. This is how the new law feels. Zoran stood burning against the final strike, holding back the unmaking with everything alike. She whispered his name as the darkness withdrew, and the realm rose around them to carry them through. The deep opened softly, no longer a grave. Silent ones trembling for the truth they once gave. Unity wakes the realm tonight, dragon flame and sovereign light. Side by side they break the end, truth and fire rise again. Oh, the world begins to heal. This is how the new law feels. This is how the new law feels. She descends into the deep, carrying memory like a crown, and the shadows bow before her. They no longer pull her down. He stands beside her, breathing, his fire steady, warm and true, and the realm sings their names as the cannon breaks through. Unity wakes the realm tonight, sovereign heart and dragon might. Hand in flame they choose the way, truth is born of what they say. Oh, the world begins anew.